Welcome back to the Zmonster channel, and yes, it's about time we're doing a garden update video. We have actually been out of town for the last couple of weeks for a wedding of our daughter, and then we got COVID, so we had to stay longer for quarantine, but now we're back and our garden has overgrown itself. So we're going to get in here and show you what we got. First off, our strawberry fields forever here. Looks like some of the netting came down, but you can see the really nice plants there. And I do see some strawberries. Yeah. So we will be harvesting some of them out of this area here. This is the asparagus, and it is overgrown, but I'm sure there's going to be a couple of ones that we can actually, probably one or two in there we can pick and eat. Yeah, I see one for sure that can be picked and eaten. This is celery and lettuce in here, and we're gonna have to get some lettuce and start eating some lettuce, that's for sure. And then we've got parsley and what was in this one? Parsley. Yeah, and cilantro. I was trying to get the next one, but yeah, it's they're going to seed, so we're gonna collect some seeds up. And then we've got these humongousy things. These are sunflowers, and they are taller than me, so I think the tallest one is probably going to be about 8 feet. It's pretty stinking tall for in there. We got some sweet potatoes down here that are growing. Hopefully they're growing. So we will see what's happening with that. And let's go around the corner here. This is just perilla leaves that are growing wild all by themselves, because we had the perilla leaves on this side here, and it went to seed and it blew all the seeds over here. And since we didn't grow anything over here yet, so we haven't cultivated or nothing, yeah, they just decided to pop up everywhere. So we have lots of that. We've got the 2 grape trees. The seedless grapes are growing over here, and they seem to be doing okay. Does look like the beetles are attacking some of the leaves up there. These 2 are the seedless or seeded ones that we don't eat, so we're letting those die back. Not going to grow those again. This is growing pretty big already. We tried to cut it back so it got off the fence, but what is this one? Big tree. I am so tired. There's a fig tree, and then we have 3 other ones outside the fence line out there that we're gonna hopefully start seeing some figs growing on there. We got our garlic and our onions and our onions and garlics and onions, and yes. All right, these ones we got some. Let's go through these zucchini squashes, and they're actually growing on them. I don't know, maybe the heat's getting to these ones here, but there's an actual zucchini on this one that we're going to grab off of there. Yes, we are. But there is some yay, we got one. We got a beetles attacking them, so we got to get them while the getting's good. Yeah, see, the leaves are dying back and burning on them, but there is some growing, which is nice. The main thing we were growing this year, of course, was the pickling cucumbers. So that's what these along the fence line here and along over there is. And I see flowering. We have to watch out since we weren't here for a while and no movement in the garden. That means the snakes like to also move in and try to get in here. So I'm going to see if we have any cukes that I can see off these ones here. I see the vining, nice, and a lot of buds coming in there. I don't see any cucumbers on there yet. A lot of flower budding, but no cucumbers. Not yet. I mean, you can see a lot of cucumbers, flower buds, but no cukes. No cukes yet on there. Now, some of these were the ones that we did with starter plants, and then some of these we did with seeds that we started and then made the plants. So they're going to grow in the different speeds because of that. But yeah, these are a lot of flowering in there. And you can see our cauliflower broccoli patches here. It's growing some stuff in there. Ooh, I got it fast. There they are. They're the cukes. Yes, we got cukes. The little cukes. They're already getting a little big for a cannon. But yeah, we will pick these couple here, and we will do something with them because we don't want them to get any bigger than that. That's for sure. We might try to do some spears. Here you go for your bag of goodies. So we've got a couple there. There might be more. We'll have to look when the camera's off. But we got those there. We've got one pepper plant here that needs to start getting some peppers on it. But it looks like it's got a little heat damage. We've had a lot of rain while we were gone. And now these were the plants that we bought that were already plants. They were starter plants from the store. So these ones here, yeah, these got some pickles on there. Ooh, yeah, I got too big there. Yeah, these ones here growing too fast. So we're gonna have to pick these ones today and get them going. See what else we got growing in here. Oh, there's a big monster one there. That's a big monster one. You can see against my hand there. That's too big for a pickle for some people. It's just right size for me. But we got some dangling pickles in there. And we got, yeah, see these ones here? That is just too big for a pickle. So we will put him over here. And let's get into the cauliflower. There we go. We got cauliflower heads in there. And we got some in there. We got a nice cauliflower. That's a huge cauliflower head in there. Yeah. We're going to have some pickles and cauliflower here coming up. There's another cauliflower here. And yep, another cauliflower in there. Beautiful. But we got a pickle problem because we got pickles. Some are the right size, some are too big already. But we got to pick them so that they start producing more. We got what is all this?
Okra.
Okay, we got okra growing here and there. And what's over here? Ah, the Asian-y banana peppers. Ooh, we got a couple of good ones of those. Yeah. Barbara's that bad boy's up. All right, we did okras here, and these over here. Oh, is this okras also?
Yeah.
So we got a couple of these here that are underneath the baskets, and they seem to be doing okay for a couple of them. Yeah. And we got them covered and protected and from the bugs, and they are actually in there. I don't want to uncover them right now, but they're growing. Over here we got more potatoes, and the reason we did the sweet potatoes here is so that the vines will grow outside the fence. And this is where the deer normally come in anyway, so they'll actually come to eat the vines because they like sweet potato vines. It's weird, but they do. They like it better than the corn that we put out sometimes. But also, being gone for 2 weeks, the grass has grown. So now we got to cut the grass again. No more vacation. Got all these here. Got all these growing. Onions, garlics growing. The date tree that we used to have outside that died, or we tore it out because it wasn't growing any dates, decided it's just going to grow right here. Right out of the blue, it's just growing. So we're going to see if this produces dates. If it does, great. If not, she coming out too. We've got the blueberry bush right there in front of the fig tree, and it's got a few blueberries growing on there right now, so that's not bad. And we do have our flowers here. We just planted these so that it draws all of the bees in. You can see all the activity around all the flowers here, which is really nice. We've got the cherry tomatoes plants growing in here. Oop, there's a big old bumblebee chasing me. All right. These are the Yeah, as soon as I get the bee away from me, he's chasing the camera. Okay, yeah, he didn't like us coming near his flower, so he's happy now. But we got the strawberries. These are the little vining types of ones, so we had to get a lot of structure in there so that it could climb up them. But yeah, we're gonna have to do a little repair work. I can see some covering of some stuff because the sun's burning the plants here. But other than that, yeah, it looks like we're going to be able to harvest a few things today. Lemongrass pile growing back again. We're going to have to chop that down with an axe one of these days. It's getting so big. But yeah, we are quite happy with what we've got here. We are waiting for the flowers to start to come up on the sunflowers here. That's the big thing. We been trying to get the right seeds to get the right size sunflowers that we wanted, and we were growing some that got to about 4.5 to 5 feet tall, but these ones here are much taller, so we're hoping this is the larger sunflowers. Not necessarily to eat the seeds or nothing, but just because my wife's been trying to grow them for a couple of seasons now. We got some other starter plants growing in here. But yeah, we're gonna get in, like I said, and see what type of harvest we can do. Maybe some strawberries on top of everything else. But yeah, dog's tired, I'm tired. We're all just getting over the COVID still, so we're gonna do as much work as we can. Try and get back into the swing of things. But hopefully you guys liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that wonderful stuff. And as always, we will talk to you later.